In this video, I'm going to show you how to check DHL remote area. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you're actually looking for ways to verify if a delivery address falls outside of standard courier routes, which triggers an extra fee. So if you're doing this and you're currently on something like this calculator over here, and you want to make sure a specific zip code is not inside a remote area or is, and you want to check this, what you can do is the following. Go to Google and type in DHL remote area list. From here, the second result, or one of the top ones, is going to be from DHL, and you have remote area list 2026. Now, if you're watching this at a later date, maybe in 2027 or later, you can of course find one for your specific year, and of course you can just click on it and it's going to open a PDF just like this. And from here, what you're going to have to do is search for, of course, a specific area. So you want to go and scroll down here, and you can see there's going to be countries. You have remote area by country, and you can just scroll down and there's going to be a bunch of different remote areas by countries. Now, the easiest way to do this and to find it is to simply search for a country. So to do this, the easiest way is to press Ctrl F on your keyboard, and as you can see up top, it's going to pop up this search box. In here, you want to just type in your country name. So for example, if I go and type in Germany like this, I'm going to wait for a second. There we go. And as you can see, it's going to take me to Germany. I can also click on this arrow, which is going to do the same thing. Now, from here, you can then see all the remote area. Sometimes it's going to be postcodes over here. It could also be a suburb or town name, of course, and those are the ones that are difficult to serve, okay? So as you can see, here's the definition up top, and it says delivery to one of these postcodes and towns would attract a remote area surcharge over here. So of course, you want to make sure you have that in mind, okay? So that's how to check DHL remote area. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.